Hello everyone. Today I'm thrilled to introduce our new mobile app called Kaka Kanga, or Learn Tibetan Phrases in English. As a member of a Tibetan community, we know the challenges of preserving our language and culture while living abroad. With this app, we aim to provide a solution to this problem and help you and your family learn Tibetan phrases in a fun and interactive way. The sad reality is that many of our kids are being educated in schools and universities where access to our own language is limited, therefore putting our unique identity at risk. As a parent myself, I know how important it is for our children to learn their mother tongue. That's why we created this app for families like ours who want to teach their kids Tibetan in a way that is engaging and enjoyable. I face the same challenges as many of you do now. I'm currently living in Taiwan, and my kids attend Taiwanese schools where Chinese is a predominant language. Although I speak them in Tibetan at home, they often hesitate to respond in our language, which is a challenge that many of us can relate to. But after testing this app on my daughter, I have seen a significant improvement in her ability to communicate in Tibetan. Our app focuses on frequently and most commonly used Tibetan phrases in our daily life, making it easy for kids and adults to learn and practice. With this app, you can enhance your language skill, improve your cultural identity, and connect with your heritage. So, if you are looking for a fun and effective way to learn Tibetan phrases, our app is a must-have. Let's go through this app together. If you click on the top left 3 line, you will find an option to change language under Settings. Currently, it is available in 3 languages. This whole learning Tibetan phrase is classified into 4 sections. First, second, third, and fourth, as you can see here. Now let's click on the first one. Here you will find the main lesson and a quiz section. You can now also adjust the font size and its background color by clicking on the top right A icon. Under the first main lesson, you will be learning to listen and identify its phrase based on sound. Later in the quiz section, you will be given 12 questions to test yourself after going through the main lesson. Each question will come with 4 choices to choose the correct answer. Let's not go into details as it is very user-friendly app. That's all for our brief introduction on this application. Please share this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.